Hi, hello and welcome to Autotech CPE for all biking solutions. I am S.SYLVESTARCHRISTY. Today we are going to see about KTM 200 starting problem in English. A small update from our channel is, hereafter biking complaints video will be available in two different languages. One in Tamil and another one in English. Do subscribe my channel and click the notification button. So you will get all the videos which I upload. Now let's get into the video.
In this KTM 200 bike, the major problem is bike is not getting started. When I analyze, I detected few problems in this bike. The first one is the plug current, the high tension current is not coming. The second one is the fuel pump is not running. The third complaint is battery is also not recharged. We analyzed all the electronic parts in this bike. Everything is in good condition. We analyzed the wiring problem also because they stopped the bike before 1 year itself. They didn't care about the bike itself. So the wiring got fungused, so we have to check the wiring also. We didn't change any wiring kit. We have reconditioned and we made it work properly. After the wiring problem has been solved, the major problem has been occurred in this bike. The thing is, the fuel pump got damaged because of they didn't start the bike for 1 year. So the fuel pump also got stuck and it didn't run. So we have to order a new pump and we bought it. Now we are fitting the pump in the bike and then we have to start it. Before, one thing I have to say is, uh, don't stop the bike for a long time. Do check it and do solve the problem immediately. The major problem will not occur as soon. The main problem is, many are putting the bike to dump and trying to make it proper after a long time. Then it will cost a lot of money um, in this bike, because of it's a fuel injector bike, isn't it? Now the every work has been finished. Now it's a time to start the bike. One thing I have to say about the fuel injector bike is, after 1 year we have started the bike. We didn't expect this. We just knocked the shelf button. It has started immediately without any stress or any uh, stroking. It ran very smoothly. The idling also ran very smoothly, and the top end also ran very smoothly. If you need any suggestion about this fuel injector bikes, you can comment me. I'll definitely explain you, and you can call me also. I have given my number in the left top of the video. You can contact me. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay tuned for more videos. And do comment, like, and share the video the most. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay tuned for more videos.
வந்துட்டு இவனுக்கு ஒர்க்
Bye.
பண்ண முடியல. அதாவது சளிகளி அந்த இதுதான், அதனால் அதை பார்க்க வேண்டியதாக இருந்தது. அதை பார்த்தாச்சு. அப்புறம் வந்துட்டு ஃபேன் அந்த மேலே அந்த ப்ராப்ளம், அந்த தண்ணி ஒழுகுச்சில்ல, அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்தது. அதை பார்த்தாச்சு. ஒரு நிமிஷமா ஒரு ரிவ்யூ இருக்குது. அப்புறம் வேலை வெட்டி